Hello buttheads, welcome to the channel. My name's Josh, and I did something my girlfriend really hates. I grew a mustache. Yes, it is super janky and super ratty, but guess what? Boo! Don't matter because I ain't going out and seeing nobody. Anyway, oh here. So today, what we're going to do is make a a disc sander out of my angle grinder, or at least make a jig to fit that in there. Maybe it'll be easier to show you. Yup. That. Alright, the thing that's going to make this really challenging is I really don't have a SketchUp for it. I have no clue how this is going to turn out or what I'm doing, and we're just going to kind of wing it and learn as we go. Because, you know, life's a dance. Learn as you go. Put down in the comments who sang that song. Huh? Okay, so first off, it's got to be square going this way. So it's got to be up like that, and it's got to be square this way. That's the biggest challenge right there, is making sure it's square on both that X and Y axis. How do we make that happen? Ah! Okay. I got these, maybe they'll help. Oh, and they made a mess. Oh, there's bugs everywhere. Okay. So that's pretty good on height. That's like almost perfect. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take one of these, we're going to cut them down to the right size. Here's the smallest one. Oh, almost falling over. Okay. It's about a foot. First off, we probably need to sure these up real good. Oh, what a big dummy I am. Alright, hold on. Now we'll measure a foot out. Very nice. So now I gotta work out how this is gonna fit. Then we'll just, you know, clamp it on. Give it the clamps! However, if we do that, but like, not at all being square this way. Do we adjust the angle iron to compensate, or do we adjust the tray? I say we adjust the tray, that way we can make sure it's consistent every time. So with that, if we've got this scrap, that actually seems to do it. 6 inches would be plenty. So let's do that. Let's mark out 6 inches here. Let's trim off the 6 inches. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what you call a fail. Big, massive fail. Much better. Okay. Let's get this thing cut. This is a complete disaster. And I'm blaming it on the mustache. Let's figure this out. So I want this right there, and I want a wall behind it that goes up that high. However, 2x4 isn't quite wide enough, or this is too narrow, or I'm just a big dummy. One or all of these things are true. Now, I got the same size. Whoa! I figured it out! I figured it out! I figured it out! Yeah! Figured it out! Figured it out! Figured out how I need to do. They were too short this way. We cut them in half, turn it this way. It doesn't have to have a full wall behind it. Does it? If it does, we'll just do this. Wow! Yay! Okay, cool. Woo! That is the kind of problem solving that I like to do. Is it good? Nah. But is it good enough? Yes. Jank City, my dudes. Oh, I just moved it. Oh, that's not good. Don't do that. I'm pretty sure that's how you start fires. Did it again. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's try this out. This one's pretty sturdy. It's actually pretty flush. This is sketchy. It works. Where's that piece? It works. Hold on. But it works, look. Yeah, I made a nice little curve right there. Pretty easy. It's super dangerous, and I would not recommend anybody make this. It is a death contraption. You know? Be safe out there, everybody. Well, everybody, I'm glad that we got it done. This is straight up not a good thing. I shouldn't have this. It's super dangerous and will probably cost me a finger by the end of it. I sure hope not. I like my fingers. I've had them my whole life, and they've been pretty good so far. Woo! Wow, I'm actually a little embarrassed about this. Get back, like, look at this thing. I mean, seriously. You know, you can go out and get a disc sander for much cheaper than the hospital bill will be after using this thing. You know, I'm gonna blame the mustache on this one. It's the mustache's fault. Well, thanks for watching this far into the video. They're getting bad. They're getting really bad. We need to start making some decent content. Yeah, I can't promise that'll ever happen though. Put down in the comments what you think of the old stash. Should I keep it? Should I shave it off? Also, find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Send us pictures of your mustaches if you have them. And yeah, that's it. Thanks. Check out some other videos on the channel. Promise they're not as bad as this one. This one is bad. Sorry, guys. What's bad is that's only like the third most dangerous thing I've ever made. I don't know if I'm proud of that or not.